I know it's not fair. I know it's not right. But we already knew we are not meant to be. But all this time, I want to thank you for your comfort. But Kuwangra, it's not enough. I just want to hug you for the last time.
And you're watching Spliffy TV. Welcome to a very special episode. We are now here at the Spliffy Mansion to witness a very special event, the Game of Thrones. Okay, we now have here a very heavy box. This box is come here, my clone. Okay guys, our box was from Thinking Tools. Thank you very much Thinking Tools for giving me a discount. Credits to my clone for capturing the scene. Okay, we now have here Skiller SGS2 black gray gaming chair. Woo! This gaming chair is from Sharkoon, a German-based company. The model series is Skiller, and we have SGS2 gaming seat. This guy over here will be replacing my old gaming seats. So if you can see, I have here two gaming seats. One without RGB and the other one has RGB. Look how cool it is. This box is very heavy, so if you want to buy this kind of chair, the net weight is 20 kilograms and the gross weight is 23 kilograms. If you want to buy this and drop by TTI or Thinking Tools, you want to make sure that it fits in your car. So the dimensions are 83 centimeters, 70 centimeters by 33 centimeters. 83, 70 by 33.
Step 1.
Ito, wika ng karton. Careful with the knife. Thinking Tools made a great effort to make my package waterproof. No, not waterproof, but water resistant because it was raining outside. Yeah. Open the box. Okay, checklist. We have a checklist here. On the top, we have this 5. Oh, it's very sturdy. 5-star base. I think this is full metal, man. Metal. We have screw set with a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and an Allen wrench. We have here the backrest, safety manual. Oh wow, very good manual here. I don't think we will be reading this because we don't have to read this if we don't know how to read. Okay, moving on, we have a, what's this, Alex? Pillow? Neck pillow? Or Love pillow for the lumbar? This is lumbar, everybody. This is for the neck. Okay, we have here, I don't know, the plastic plating. It's very heavy. This one's the heaviest. Oh, goodness. The seat is the heaviest part. We already assembled most of it. Then we have this piston, I don't know what's this called, for the ejection of seater. What's this? Wheels! You can't drive your chair if you don't have wheels. This one is for the piston. The bracket or brace, metal brace for the bottom part of our chair. And lastly, silica gel. Okay, that's it. That's everything. Woo! Nothing here. I'm sweating like a horse. Very comfortable chair. I have seen so many leather, real leather or just plain PU leather or synthetic leather that will break apart in a year eventually. So I have chosen this type of chair because obviously this is breathable fabric and this will not break. The only difference is, or the only drawback is that this one is not water resistant unlike the leather. Okay, the features. Okay, adjustable armrest, and it can also be or forward, backward. Swivel effect, swivel feature of a swivel chair. Okay, and up down, and last but not the least, Can you do this? Can you do this? This one is so sturdy. Yeah. Oh, Dizzy. Palito na. Huwag dyan. Thank you for watching. Bye. Balik ka. Balik ka. Suka dia, suka.